Hey, welcome to Weld.com. In the past, you've seen us put together tab and slot tables, fab horses, and stuff like that. We've got a really cool piece of equipment here, the Fab Positioner. This thing's pretty cool. You power it with a variable speed drill. It's 1/4-inch material, all laser cut, kind of goof proof to put together. Again, everything's tab and slot, locks together, small tack welds. This unit has 15-degree increments. As mentioned before, you can power it with a variable speed drill. You can slow it down and do TIG welds. You can speed it up and do MIG welds. We're going to have Man Cub do another build and show a step-by-step process. It took me about an hour to do this one here, so we'll try to do another one and show every step of the way. There we go. Notice the locations of the bar. On the bottom of it, it's going to be solid, and on the top of it, it's going to be threads here. You want the threads on the top. You're going to be looking at it top view. Then this will be on the bottom. It is also important to make the tacks on the inside here. Notice the plate must be flush from the bottom of the plate to the center of the first hole. It should be 3 inches. All right. I just finished up on the gearbox. I didn't put no tacks on the outside, kept all my tacks inside. So this will slide into the base. On the bushing plates right here, no tacks, it needs to move freely. So this brass bushing will slide in here and the second plate will line up. I swear, man, you can't use this.
Oh, brother, we gotta be.
All right, got it. All the welding's complete on this base and the inside of this gearbox. So I got all the parts laid out here on the table, and I'm going to just assemble all these parts inside this positioner, and let's get to it.
When you're pushing the shaft in, you want to make sure the shaft is flush with this bronze bushing here. I haven't put this one yet. So these ones go. I'm gonna take this shaft, get it started in here. I'm just turning it. Grab this bushing. Make sure the set screws are all the way backed up. Put it on the shaft here. I'll grab the gear here. Push the shaft through. Grab this other bushing here. Push that through. Come on, there it is. Just twisting it until it comes out all the way here. There it is, that's better. Did a little bit too much. You want to make sure not go too far past because your holes won't line up. And your set screws. Then I'm just going to make sure these all line up before I start. Just tighten these down. It's important to line your set screws up with these machine holes. So I'm going to bring it up here.
So you just got done with your Certiflat positioner. How'd it go for you?
Yes, sir. Went pretty good. Went through the step-by-step process on the blueprints here. Took me about an hour 15 minutes. I mean, it was nice. I liked it.
Real important to follow that sequence of events, make sure everything goes together.
Yes, sir.
Good project, solid build, robust unit. Huge shout out to Certiflat for sending this unit in. For more information about these little guys here, visit Weld.com. Thanks for watching.